friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing some reverse tie-dye on a couple shirts that I bought. I've been feeling real DIY lately and I just want to try it, so let's go. So here's what you need: some bleach, some gloves, you'll need some rubber bands, and you'll need a squeezy bottle. I didn't have one, so I used a water bottle. Worked the same. And in the water bottle you'll need equal parts of bleach and water. But most importantly, you'll need your shirts. I got everything except the middle shirt from the Dollar Tree. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're working on a clean, bleach-safe surface in an area that is well ventilated because you are working with chemicals. So in this first technique, I did an accordion fold. So all that I did was fold the shirt from the bottom all the way to the top. And once I reached the top, I just rubber banded it. And voila, you have your accordion fold. So this next technique is a double twist. So I pinch from two opposite ends of the shirt, and you can pinch wherever you want to. And you're just gonna swirl them in towards each other to make kind of a little swirl within the shirt. You'll see the design came out super cute, but you just swirl it and then you're gonna rubber band it just like you did the accordion fold. So the last technique is just a single twist. So you can pinch from any corner of the shirt. I chose the bottom corner, and you're just gonna pinch it and twist it in and make sure that the shirt is wrapped around in the direction that you twisted it in, making sure that it's nice and tight, and you're just gonna rubber band it up like you did the other two. It's time to bleach. So you're going to take your water bottle that you have filled with equal parts bleach and water, or a squeezy bottle, whatever you choose to use, and you're going to start saturating that shirt. So you can spray it down which way you want to. Guarantee the design is going to come out fine. It's going to be unique. It's going to be your own because you created it. But just make sure that you are saturating the shirt, allowing the bleach to penetrate through the different layers that you created in the different folds or the different twists that you do with your shirt. Also make sure that you are saturating both sides of the shirt with the bleach and water mixture just so your shirt can reach its full potential. Alright, so once you've bleached them, you're going to sit them outside in the sun to let them bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. So they're not quite finished, but here are the results so far. Period. Cute as hell. So once you've taken the rubber bands off of all of your shirts, you want to rinse all of them out in cold water. I recommend doing it in the tub so everything can just run down the drain. And once you've rinsed all of them out, make sure you wring them out real well, and then you just hang them up to dry for a little bit, for around 30 minutes to about an hour. So after they've been hanging up, you want to take your shirts and throw them right into the washer and wash them on cold. Put them in the dryer to bake it all in, and you should be done. And these are how my shirts turned out. Don't they look so cute? Like, look at this. Like, okay, period. Like, these are cute as hell for this to be just a DIY. Baby, it looks like I got them out of the store. Like, honestly, you can't tell me anything. And of course, y'all already knew I had to try them on and show y'all how they look. Like, look at this. Curls popping, shirt popping. Give them twirl, baby, twirl. I know you see it. You see it. If I can sit, look at this. Look at this. Who would have thought? Not me. Look at the design. Look at the uniqueness. Nobody's gonna have a shirt like me. So this shirt, hands down, was my favorite shirt. It turned out better than I expected it to. I actually got this shirt from Route 21. It was around 14 bucks, but it was totally worth it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. And if you end up making a shirt, send me a picture. I want to see y'all creative skills. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.